ball did you borrow? This problem's hopeless now. Requires an age-old solution. Arguments are for the young. Fuzzy with ego pollution. So let's got fence in my shirt.